fighting siya.
Game number 5, AC Lopez. AC's talent is diving and their hobby is playing billiards. Number 5, Devin Valera. Devin's talent is arm wrestling and his hobby is doing rides. And on number 6, Anton Montemor. His talent is singing and his hobby is poking.